and welcome back to our channel MahaUma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. I am going to make corn soup. For that, heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use oil as well. Once the butter got melted, add chopped green chilli, then add chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Saute well for few minutes. After sauteing well, add 1/3 cup carrots, 1/4 cup green beans, half cup sweet corn. I am using fresh one. You can use frozen one as well. In this stage, you can add any of your favorite vegetables. Saute well and cover the lid and cook until the veggies get soft. While take half cup corn and add it into blender and make a smooth paste. Add some water and blend into a smooth paste. After 8 minutes, the vegetables cooked softly. At this stage, add corn paste and saute well. Followed by add 3 cups of water and required amount of salt. Mix all together. In between, take 2 teaspoons of cornstarch powder. Add little bit water and mix well without any lumps. After 5 minutes, the soup cooked well. At this stage, add cornstarch mixture into the water. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes until it becomes thick. After few minutes, you can see the soup become thick and it looks creamy. Switch off the flame and add required amount of pepper powder and garnish with coriander leaves. Mix well. Creamy and healthy corn soup is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.